The Chery EQ7, the Shuxiangjia, is a mid-size electric SUV from the Chinese automaker Chery. It was launched in China in August 2024. Key features: sleek design. The EQ7 boasts a modern, stylish design with sharp lines, a sloping roofline, and full-width LED lights. Spacious interior. It offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with ample legroom and headroom for front and rear passengers. Advanced technology. Expect a large touchscreen infotainment system, a premium sound system, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Long range. The EQ7 is equipped with a large battery pack that provides a long driving range on a single charge. Powerful performance. The EQ7 features powerful electric motors that deliver impressive acceleration and smooth performance. The Chery EQ7 is aimed at young, tech-savvy consumers who want a stylish, sophisticated electric SUV. Competition. The Chery EQ7 will compete with other popular electric SUVs in the Chinese market, such as the Tesla Model Y, the BYD Song Plus, and the NIO ES6. Overall, the Chery EQ7 is a promising new entrant in the growing electric SUV market. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and competitive pricing, it has the potential to become a popular choice for consumers. Thank you for supporting my channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing with friends.